Okay everyone, so in this video we're gonna learn how we can add a background image like this, which is fixed, so only the text will move like this. We can also see that this one is responsive, so if I move this one we can see that the image will resize. Also the text will also be responsive. Okay, so in this video we will have a look on how to fix this to make your website look more professional. And also the text is just for show, so you can see that the image behind it is fixed. So let's go and add this background image using CSS and HTML. We're going to use Visual Studio Code, but you can use any other code editor of your choice. So let's do this. Okay, so just open up your code editor. I'm using Visual Studio Code. I have this index.html file, and I'm just gonna create a standard HTML file like so. So I'm just typing exclamation mark and tab, and I will get this information, so we can start to add our background image using HTML and CSS. So in the body I'm just gonna add a div. I'm gonna add a class to this div called background underscore image, like so. In this div I'm just gonna add some paragraph text, so we can see the difference when we have fixed the background image. All right, I'm gonna add a class to this paragraph. I'm gonna call this just main underscore content, like so. Inside here we're just gonna add some lorem text, so lorem star 30, hit tab. So we got this example text. Okay, so now we just want to go to the left sidebar. We want to create a new file. This will be our CSS file, so style.css, hit enter. We want to link this CSS file in HTML. So we're gonna go between the head tags. We're just gonna add a marker, and in Visual Studio Code we can use emmet to just type link and hit tab. Otherwise just type this manually, and within href we're gonna add our style.css path. So we can just do / and you will get this drop down, and you can just click on style.css. To make sure that everything is linked, you can just hover over this one and follow the link by clicking on Ctrl plus click, or on Mac you will see Command plus click. Just hover over it, hold Ctrl and click. And if you come to your style.css file, everything is linked all right. Okay, so now we want to add the background image. We just gonna go and right click. We're gonna click on new folder to have everything organized. I'm gonna create the image as folder, hit enter. So now we want to add an image that we want to have as a background image, and you can grab it wherever you like, but in my case I'm using Pixabay. I'm just gonna go and get a nice image for our background. I'm just gonna grab this image. I'm just gonna download it. I'm gonna use 1920 x 1211, but you can use maybe this one as well. Just click on download, and that's it. So just find your own image wherever you find images. All right, go back to your code editor. Now we're gonna go to File Explorer, go to your downloads, and just choose the image you want to have. We're gonna just drag it to images folder, like so. Now we can see the image right here. All right, so now we're gonna go to style.css, and we're gonna grab the class name from this div, which will be our background image div. So background underscore image. We're gonna go to style.css. For classes we're gonna add dot. We're gonna paste this one, and we're gonna add open and close curly braces. So in here we're gonna add the image. So we're gonna add background image. Like so. We're gonna hit tab, and now we're gonna add URL, hit tab, and within the parentheses, we're gonna add the path to this image. So you can just add / to get this drop down menu and click on images and click on your image. So you need to add the correct path to this image, like that. So now we're gonna save this and just have a look. Now we can see that we have the image right here, and it's not fixed, but it doesn't look good, so we need to fix that. All right, so we're gonna make this image fixed, so when I scroll we will see the same image wherever we are on the page. All right, so we're gonna go back to Visual Studio Code. Now we're gonna add background size. So background dash size, we're gonna use cover. All right, after that we're gonna add background attachment fixed. We also need to add background position center. Okay, so let's go and have a look. Now we can see that the image is fixed, and we're only scrolling through the text like that. So let's go and fix the text like that. So I'm just gonna go and fix the text so we can see it. I'm gonna go to HTML. We're gonna copy this class. We're gonna go back to style.css. We're just gonna go and add dot, paste it, open and close curly braces, and I'm just gonna add color. Like that. We're gonna add padding. 100 pixel up and down and 20 pixel left and right, like so. We're gonna save this, go back, and now we can see that we have padding right here, padding right here, and left and right. All right, so we also see that we have this white border. We want to remove that. We're just gonna go back, and at the beginning of our CSS file we're just gonna add a star, open and close curly braces. We're gonna add margin 0, and we're gonna add padding 0. We're gonna save this, we're gonna go back like that. Now you can see that the white space around the background image is gone. Also, if we minimize this one and resize it, we can see that the image will resize as it should. All right, and also the text will also get responsive like that. So the background image will adjust to your device. Okay everyone, so this is how you can add a background image to your website using CSS, but also using HTML. As you can see, we now have a fixed background image, and when we scroll down, only the content will move. Alright everyone, so if this was helpful, you can comment below. You can also subscribe for more of these tutorials. More will come. And also, if you have Discord, you can join my Discord server. Here you can talk all about web development and things like that. So you find this link in the description. Join this Discord server. Okay everyone, so I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.